May please, or maybe the lottery.
Yes.
My lord, unlisted matter for disconnected my line, my lord, commercial shop. So unlisted today, my lord.
Why, when it was disconnected? When it was disconnected?
Disconnected, my lord, my honor already noticed to vacate the land, vacate the shop.
When it was disconnected?
Disconnected, my lord.
To vacate the plot?
No, my lord, this is this commercial shop, my lord. Shop, my lord. The honor is face, my lord, you vacate the, my lord, this commercial shop.
When it was disconnected?
Without any reason, my lord.
When?
14, my lord. 14:10.
14?
10.
Okay.
Obliged.
If you get it listed by 11 o'clock. Otherwise not.
Praying for listing of a matter on reopening day, Your Lordship. Matter concerns imposition of property tax by Demo Municipal Board, Your Lord. On
Property tax, we don't. Bench 5.
Your Lordship, a similar matter came up yesterday before Your Lordship.
Property tax?
It was that concerned rental value of imposed by the municipal board itself, Your Lordship.
Motion.
Yes, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
Daily list motion B, item number 1.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, as on today, 51 days I'm in custody also.
What is the offense?
Offense lordship under section mainly 370 lordship.
370, trafficking.
Yes.
Human trafficking.
Case diary.
Lordship,
Yes, when?
Lordship, let it be on 3110.
M.I. Hussain,
Lordship.
petitioner, accused petitioner. M.S.R.R.B.
SH Bora.
S.H. Bora. Additional PP. Okay, marriage application 439. Place the case on
3110 vacation.
31
On the reopening day lordship.
611.
Yes.
611.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
439
Side of Islam.
days, 37 days. 60 days is mandatory.
Mandatory period is 60 days.
60 days.
10,
Days,
CD
37.
1011.
1011.
Yes.
Okay, 811, make it 811. Mr. Al Gogoi.
10 to 11 lordship. 10 to 11.
1011.
1011.
Okay. Al Gogoi. S.H. Bora. 439. Case diary. 1011.
Obliged.
3.
Aniket Prasad. Yes. Yes, MS. Name, please.
Your name, please. Name.
Your name?
Al Islam. Al Islam.
Al Islam. S.H. Bora. What is this? Rich Carlton Hotel. How many petitioners?
Only one petitioner, Lordship.
Okay.
Today's
439.
Yes, 21 days as on today.
Okay. When?
Lordship on 1011.
1011. Yes, diary.
My lord. 20 days.
Item number 4.
Sahnur Islam. Taluk.
Lordship 439 application. Offense.
Offense.
Offense LSH Lordship, fake currency.
Okay, 220 number of 500 denomination.
Lordship, I have been implicated falsely, Lordship.
Talukdar.
D. Kolita.
D. Kolita. S.H. Bora. When? From which place?
Lordship, Kamrup Metro.
Kamrup Metro.
So it's a search.
When? MS Bora?
Lordship matter has been suscited.
Search case.
Search city.
Yes, Lordship.
107 3 days already. Behind me, Lordship.
Then why don't you go to the trial court?
Yes,
Jurisdictional trial court.
Already went, Lordship. It was rejected.
Where is that?
Sure.
Order.
Order is not an expert. It is.
Any statement? Any statement in the petition?
Yes, Lordship.
Any statement in the petition?
It has been in paragraph.
Where is the statement? Search sheet has been submitted.
Lordship, paragraph 13, page 8, Lordship.
Paragraph
Already-
13,
Paragraph
13.
13, page 8. Charge sheet has been filed, but rightly or wrongly, charge has been framed against the above named petitioner.
charge sheet has been, there is no mention of charge sheet also, number,
Yes, nothing is there, Lordship, not the next.
nothing is there.
Yes. Scan copy of LC otherwise.
We'll go to the PI court. Find out the charge sheet number.
Lordship, you do not have the copy, Lordship. Charge sheet copy you do not have, Lordship.
Not available. Where from you are stating then? Where from you are stating? Submitting so? When it was rejected?
Lordship, 510, 510.
What is the observation there?
Lordship, there are prima facie materials. It is written like primary materials have been found, Lordship.
Why you are drafting petition like this? We don't know about the charge sheet also, where it is pending also. Where from we will call for a record?
Here also Kamrul Metro.
Kamrup Metro, only one court there.
Additional session number 2, Lordship.
What is the offense?
Lordship, offense under section 489A, 489,
489.
C.
It will be before
Fake-
session judge.
yes, fake currency notes.
It will be before session judge.
Yes, Lordship.
Special court.
Yes.
Yes, how do you? What should be reflected in the order? Tell
Lordship,
me.
That is the thing, Lordship, scan, otherwise scan copy of LCR.
Right.
But from where, Lordship, that order copy he has not annexed, Lordship. The
There is
rejection
nothing in
order.
the petition.
Yes, Lordship.
Find out, Mr. We'll take up some after some time. Don't come with incomplete details.
Item number 5,
Yes, Borua.
CD may be called for, madam. It's from
K. Borua. Accused petitioner S.H. Bora. Pokiragram.
Lordship on 1411.
UAPA.
UAPM. I don't take my like 59 days in custody, my.
Case diary
1411, not
14.
item number 6,
It is a lordship. It is a lordship. It's behind the bar for 378 days, my lord.
78 days.
378 days, my lord.
378 days.
Yes, ma'am. Trial is going on, my lord. And
Trial is going on.
trial
Yes.
is going on, my lord. This stage, is a lordship.
Special case.
Yes, madam.
Okay, special case NDPS.
146/2020.
Special NDPS case number, huh? Scan copy legi. 146/2022. Come arising out of Rathabari Police Station case number 290/2022. Come up presently pending before the Court of Law and
Sir.
Special Judge.
Session just Karimganj.
Special Judge.
Karimganj.
So stop. The crime case, Rathabari Police Station case number so and so was registered for offences under 21B NDPS and Arms Act. It is submitted that, okay, for consideration of the prayer for bail, perusal of the case records of so and so would be necessary. Call for a scan copy of the so and so. Register judicial. When?
Any date, Lordship, after vacation.
After vacation.
Second week of
20,
20.
11, 20,
2011, Lordship.
20.
supplementary list, item number 25,
Yes, MS Bora.
Lordship,
POXO.
POXO matter is there, Lordship, POXO wait.
Okay, there is no representation on behalf of the petitioners. Today on this petition today on call. Yes,
Not a allegation under section 7A
7A.
of the PCI. Read with section lordship 120B.
Mondal.
No, he's not the Mundal lordship. A whole allegation against the Lakmundal, and he's the present
Who are
petitioner.
you?
Present petitioner is the driver of Lakmundal lordship.
Oh,
He's the driver.
he has got the money.
No, nothing. There is no offense
M. Khan.
against any other lordship.
M. Khan SH Bora. 439. Night Bora. When?
On 9/10, Lordship, 9/11.
9/11. 9/11.
Item number 7 for motion.
This is 438 application, Lordship. FIR is at page 7.
FIR is at page 7. Yes, Ms. Vora,
Lordship,
allegations only.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. M. Khan, Learned Council Board of Petitioners, petitioner,
One petitioner.
petitioner,
Yes.
and S.H. Bora, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor for the State of Assam, posted by this application 438. In the FIR, first information report were registered on 3/10/2013, allegations are entirely made to the effect that the petitioner, along with two others, were demanding money on the alleged that the demanding money from various persons on the alleged that they would be implicated in cases relating to foreigners. Full stop. When, case diary
Lordship, 2211.
2211, having regard to the allegations made in the FIR and projections made on behalf of the petition that he is the EDP secretary of the village and had been carrying out his duties, it is provided in the interim 25,000 one COT before IO 7 days.
Item number 8.
Lordship, 438 application, my lord.
438,
8, my lord. My lord, 420 and copyright, my lord. Only on suspicion, my lord. On the survey made, my lord, nothing seized, my
Where is
lord.
the FIR?
Page 15, my lord, the type copy, my lord.
Let me read.
Page 15, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Let me- I'd like to inform you. Who are you? Probin Kumar Jain?
Praveen Kumar
Yes.
Jain, my lord.
Saurabh Kundu.
My lord, he is the power of attorney holder, my lord.
What is this EIPR?
EIPR is a, my lord, is a company who is taking care of the, my lord, all the companies who are dealing from outside India, my lord. They are only surveying the market and placing that who are doing, my lord, suspicious or something, my lord, that. And they are filing complaints and other aspects, my lord, for the companies, my lord. HP, Canon, Epson. My lord,
Then
here,
what is your case?
my case is that, my lord, only on suspicion, my lord would see at page 16, my lord, they themselves said, during market survey, it is noted that so and so, under so and so are keeping, selling, manufacturing, assembling counterfeit product illegal open matter. These persons are doing business knowing that infringe as well as false trademark copyright. However, my lord, nothing has been seized. No single persons have complained against me because of the fact, my lord, now since the, my lord, in the online, my lord, we are getting 30%, 40%, the toner, my lord, the printers, we are getting 30% discount in the Amazon and Flipkart, whereas, my lord, we are getting more amount from the HP, my lord.
You are dealer.
No, my lord, I'm a retailer, my lord, page 33, my lord. My lord, kindly see my certificate from HP. Page 33, my lord. And page 32 is also the HP certifies Kumar Info Guwahati as authorized print retailer, my
All
lord.
info.
We are retailers, my lord.
Yes.
City will be required, Lordship.
Heard Mr. A. Tiwari, the counsel for the petitioner, and MS S.H. Bora, additional to 438. Prolonged PSM. In the first information report, Commander informant who has stated that he is a power of attorney holder of various companies like Hewlett Packard, Canon, Samsung, etc. As inter alia alleged that the persons named in the FIR who are associated with a business and an entity, Messrs. Kumol Infotech, have been selling counterfeit
Yes,
products
yes, counterfeit.
of these
activities.
companies in violation of trademarks, copyrights, and in the process, cheated the companies as well as general public. Full stop. The learned counsel, Mr. for the petition, has submitted that the petition is the proprietor
Yes, my lord, proprietor, my lord.
of Kumol, Messrs. Kumol, K-O-M-A-L, Kumol, Infotech. And Messrs. Kumol Infotech is a authorized retailer of a number of companies like Hewlett Packard, SR, etc. Full stop. It is submitted that the allegations level in the affair have no basis. Full stop. When is there?
Lordship on 10/11.
10/11. Having regard to the nature of allegations made in the affair and the projections made on behalf of the petitioner, it is provided in the interim 25,000 on COD 7 days before IO.
Deeply obliged, your lord.
Lordship, if interim is granted, then 23rd/11.
Deeply obliged, your lord.
Item number 9.
10 days, IO 10 days. Yes,
May I please-
Sanjay Soren.
My lord, FIR page 11, my lord, the crux of the FIR is, my lord, that this,
FIR,
my lord, page number 11, my lord, the typed copy, my lord. I'm not an FIR named accused.
what is the nature of allegation?
My lord, this is a wrongful restraint, grievous injury, outraising modesty, attempt to rape, extortion. But my lord,
You are named the FIR, no?
my lord, I am not named the FIR, my lord, this FIR dates back to April 16, my lord. Two accused who are the main accused have already been arrested, my lord.
Any co-accused granted bail?
My lord, page number 20, my lord. Page number
Yes.
20. Lord,
Okay, one of the accused, he is not named.
Lordship,
Mr.
A.W. Aman.
A.W. Aman. Petitioners. S.H. Bora, additional public prosecutor. 439. Bukhainga Police Station, case number 173, 2023, sections. The first information report was lodged on 16/4/2023, wherein the informant named
Mamuni to do.
had specifically named three had named three accused, had implicated three accused by names and indicated involvement of 7/8 others in the act of alleged torture on her on 15 wrong type, wrong typing. Wrong timing, Mr. 15/4,
15th of April,
2023. Wrong translation.
My lord.
Wrong translation. If the FIR is on 16/4/2023,
15th of April, my lord.
how could the event occur on 15 September, Mr. Counsel?
My apology.
So we cannot depend on your English translation.
My sincere apology.
This is wrong. Post.
Should be 15/4, Lordship.
Right.
My lord.
That is why I don't rely on English translation of counsels. Miss, the learned counsel for the petitioners has submitted that in the petitioners were not named in the FIR. And one of the suspected accused person has already been granted interim protection by an order by this court, by an order dated 14/6/2023, passed in AB 2097/2023. Full stop. It is further submitted that the petitioners are sought for merely on suspicion. When?
Lordship, 22/11,
22/11.
along with 164 statement of the
Okay.
victim, Lordship. CJ.
Interim, having regard to the nature of allegations made in the affair wherein the petitioners are not named and the projections made on behalf of the petition. In the above manner, and considering the fact that one of the suspected accused has already been granted interim protection by this court, it is provided in the interim 30,000.
TP of life.
appear before the within 10 days.
TP of life.
বাকি এটা condition লিখে দিব।
Item number 10.
My lord. This FIR, my lord, page number 31. Here the allegation is under section 11 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act, 713 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act, and 379 and 411 of the IPC, my lord. My lord, here what happened, my lord? I am the original buyer of the cattle, my lord, and I have already been granted Jimma, which is page number 39, my lord. And all other, the handyman, the driver of the vehicle has been granted bail. The owner of the vehicle has also been granted Jimma, my lord. Page 39, my lord. Last para.
Yes, MS Water.
Lordship,
Zimma has been given.
My lord.
yes.
Hard
AW Aman.
AW Aman petitioner. Message Bora 438 Petri Police Station case. The first information report is lodged by a police. Who is he?
Havildar Khitri PS, my lord.
Head constable attached to Petri Police Station. Full stop. In the FIR, comma. It has been alleged that on in the night hours on 6/9/2023, comma, a vehicle three vehicles were intersected on suspicion and on searches being made, comma, 24 number, 19 number, and 7 number of kettles were found in those vehicles, and the vehicles were accordingly seized. So it is projected on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is the legitimate owner of 19 number of kettles which were seized in the process of seizure made mentioned in the FIR stuff by referring to the documents annexed to the present bail application. The petitioner has contended that he had purchased those 19 number of kettles from a registered cattle market under Nagaon Jilla Parishad. When
Lordship,
also it is further mentioned that when a
Wait.
Jima petition was preferred by the petitioner before the Court of Learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Kamrup Metro, comma, the Learned Court by an order dated 11/10/2023 had already given Zimma of those 19 number of cattle to the petitioner, subject to the terms and conditions mentioned in the order. When
Lordship, 2211. 2211.
22, having regard to the nature, contents of the affair lodged and the position made on behalf of the petitioner. More particularly, the fact that the Jima of 19 number of cattle have already been given to the petitioner. It is provided in the interim and in the returnable date. 25,000 on COT appear before the IO.
Item number 11.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, this is a petition under section 438. The petitioner report lodged said, the retired employee who was serving as a deputy secretary in BTC and retired on 31/3/2019. Some FIR was lodged on 26/7/2022 by Vigilance Police Station case number 02 registered under section 120B 424C47FD IPC read with 7BC of the prevention of
Long affair.
long affair, but my name, lordship will get it. There's the allegation is the fake sanction was given by the officers, out of which
When it is lodged,
lodged on 26/7/2022, my lord. This matter related
your name is named.
named this
What is named?
paragraph 12, my lord.
We'll call for a case diary.
But in
Lordship,
the
there is
meantime,
case
what
they
happened?
require in this case.
We'll
a
call
huge
for the
scam
case
was-
that it is big scam.
No,
Scam,
it's
big
really,
scam.
no,
They
right?
created-
Find out.
No, my lord,
C. Borua,
no, lordship only,
PJ Burman, Lordship.
I may be hard.
PJ Burman.
BJ Burma.
P for Punjab. P
My
PJ
lord.
Burman.
I may be.
58 crore.
No, yes, because my reason before lordship, I have already appeared given.
You are a deputy secretary irrigation
Yes, sir.
Willard before.
and 58 crore scam.
Lordship, that system is.
He was the person
concern is not over.
438.
responsible
No,
for giving.
438, call for the case, 611.
My lord, finally, my submission is Millard,
611.
High level.
only because
I
I
have
have
seen
already
it.
appeared.
I have seen
It's
it.
given.
Deputy secretary irrigation
Yes.
department,
Above
58 crore scheme,
Above
no
me-
money.
Above me, joint secretary, and this one, only allegation is there. I have not,
Joint secretary, you do not know, mister.
only allegation.
You are
is
an
I have-
engineer?
I have, this one above me.
58 crore scheme to,
No.
you have given works to how many? 40 contractors?
It's not
44
central,
schemes,
stop Millard.
44 schemes.
No.
44 schemes, 58
Fake
crores.
schemes.
What?
And joint secretary irrigation, you don't know?
Above me, joint
611, 611.
secretary, Millard, not joint secretary.
As whatever, deputy joint,
But this money. is
whatever.
Not.
You are in the higher post in the charge of the irrigation department.
Already I have given statement, moreover, Millard, already.
Everybody does not know.
No, a payment not been stopped. No payment was
No,
made.
higher officials do not know
No.
how it has happened.
If money would have been disbursed, no, money has been not disbursed, it is stopped.
No, it is a scam.
Stop.
Ultimately, it is a scam.
Item number 12.
Yes.
FR is the case, particular is the case 15 Lordship. Accusation is the wrongful restrainment, grievous hurt and attempt to murder.
Let us see where is the fire.
FR is at page 11 Lordship.
Employee presently branch manager. I came straight, picked up a brick hitting me. Not named, why you are apprehending?
Lordship, my scooter number, Lordship, my scooter number has been given in this.
Scooter number. So what is, okay, scooter number is there. What is your
Apprehension.
apprehension?
Lordship, my
Scooter is,
police they have already visited my place 40 occasion, Lordship.
this kind of ethnic hatred cannot be tolerated.
Even Lordship, my son has been out of.
This kind of
Yes,
ethnic hatred. We'll call for a case there.
Lordship.
Make an early date.
Lordship.
Lordship,
On
some
8/11.
Deed only.
8/11.
four Lordship, four accused has been arrested, Lordship, and released. Some of them have been released, Lordship.
Arrested and released. You are on pre-arrest
Yes.
Lordship.
Might not
Both
be on
cannot
the same
be-
footing, Lordship.
on the same pedestal.
I think CDMB.
But this allegation is very serious. Allegation is serious. Ethnic hatred is
CD along with injury report, 8/11, Lordship.
438. Which date?
8/11, Lordship.
8/11.
Interim bill, Lordship. Puja is there, Lordship.
Scooters cannot go there alone.
No, Lord,
There has to be a rider.
my son used that scooter.
And you have attacked him with brick and all.
Item number 14.
Just because he belongs to another
Your timing of this matter, Lordship, for few minutes.
community. Huh?
Timing of this matter, item 14, your Lordship.
Item
14.
14. Yes, what is there?
Lordship, actually, it's a, we are given a contract, your Lordship, and we have done our job, Lordship. Now payments are not been released, Lordship.
Okay, payment only.
No, Lordship, there is a, there, means like the respondent authorities are trying to trying to blacklist me, your Lordship.
Blacklist.
Yes, alleging that the certificate that I have submitted to the authority during the tender.
There will be so-called.
Yes, well, that's so
There
far
has
the
to be
other challenge,
so-called.
my lord, and
If so-called is not issued, the blacklisting order is directly.
Lordship, kindly come to the impure. Lordship, Lordship.
my lord, one thing, the writ petition has been filed, my lord, praying for direction to release money for
Yes,
the
Lordship.
supply that they have made.
Huh.
Not
In the
this-
meantime, my lord, they have issued a notice for blacklisting. My lord,
Where is that?
that has been
Lordship,
SL in an
additional
additional
affidavit.
affidavit. Notice of blacklisting is SL in an additional affidavit. In my humble submission, my lord, that's a separate cause of action.
cannot be maintained by waiver itself.
We are not asking to set aside the blacklisting, Your Lordship. We are just saying, Lordship, no coercive action should be taken, Lordship, because because from reliable sources, Lordship, we came to know the same vigilance cases are about to be initiated, Lordship. But why on my fault, Lordship? I have not submitted any alleged forged documents, Lordship.
No, whether any so cause notice is
Yes, my
issued.
So cause is issued, my lord will find that in their additional affidavit, page 183, my lord. 190.
Lordship, possible, Lordship, after some time, my
They
Lordship.
have assailed this notice in a additional affidavit, madam, instead of filing a separate writ petition, madam.
Lordship, we are not asking to set it's like, yes, Lordship, we have
180.
brought to the notice because, Lordship.
190, my lord. The next are Jet Colley, additional.
Let me have a look. This is 10th April.
Yes, Lordship.
We are in
Very
October.
surprisingly, Lordship.
No, my lord.
Kindly come
That
to
is,
Lordship.
it's a
The page number
typographical error,
192.
my lord. It was issued 3-4 days back, my lord. The date is wrongly mentioned here, my lord.
Kindly came to page number 192, Your Lordship. We have filed this writ petition, Lordship, on 16th of October 2023 at 1:30 PM. We have received this email on same day at 4:05 PM.
Right, a so cause can be issued.
Yes, Lordship, the show cause can be issued.
My lord, what had happened, we are not basically onto this transport business or something like that. We're basically an IT firm, my lord. While undertaking some work, coincidentally, a request came because there was an earlier tender where they could not get any bidder. And we expressly said we do not have any experience. Despite that, my lord, this work order was given. And we have supplied the, my lord, entire batch of vehicle. 50% of the payment has been made. Now, my lord, the 50% is due. Now, my lord, they have issued a notice why I should not be, my lord, blacklisted and all. Now, if a lordship would kindly come to one page, wherefrom it will be clearly evident that we never maintain the stand that we have any experience.
Right, ordinarily so cause notice. It is a so cause notice.
So what I'm saying is, my
You're
lord,
basically structured on non-payment.
no,
non-payment.
my writ petition, no, my lord, I have filed the writ petition seeking balance payment. Now, after we filed the writ petition, the show cause notice, though it is dated, my lord,
I have seen 10-4.
it was issued on 16, my lord. We got it on 16. Therefore, my lord, we have brought on record. My lord, I'll file my reply, my lord, but they will not finalize it. Meanwhile, let them come up with the instructions, my lord. And pendency shall not be a bar to release the payment, my lord. Now, my lord, some sort of inquiry they have initiated. In the inquiry, they are saying you do not have experience. How come you got the work? My lord, Section 70 of the Contract Act. If I have done something and if I have received
Right.
it,
But so cause notice at the stage of so cause notice will not make any observation. You make a reply. If something comes up adverse.
what you do, we'll submit our reply, my lord.
Right.
But they will not
Submit the
finalize it,
reply.
my lord, till the
Will,
returnable date.
Make it a returnable date.
Yes, till the returnable
specific.
date, they will not pass any final order. I'll submit my reply,
No, that is kind of an interim order in case of a so cause notice.
my lord.
So cause notice.
So, my lord, it's an anonymous complaint. This show cause, kindly see, my lord, please come to the show cause notice, my lord.
Withheld.
No, please come to the show cause.
190.
Please come to the show cause notice, my lord. Page 190. The undersigned is in receipt of a complaint by Srimati withheld mobile number withheld. My lord, CVC circular says anonymous call cannot.
Okay, I can give you observation that this complaint should be furnished to you.
Yes, and before.
Definitely, and so that before submission of reply,
Not only complaint, all relevant documents.
all relevant documents within 15 days. That can I can make the observation.
Yes.
But I will not stall the process.
Not even I'm not asking for it.
Stall the process, whatever documents required, you can make an application or
My lord,
till you get all the documents to
My
your
lord,
satisfaction,
appreciate.
you
Yes, and my
for
lord will
submission or reply.
Yes, my lord will kindly appreciate. We supplied the entire batch of vehicle. They are using it.
Right. So whatever complaint, whatever the basis of making this so-called reply,
Yes.
that should be furnished to you
Yes.
so as to enable you to file an effective reply.
To pursue further legal remedy
Effect-
as may be available.
Right, that is available. That,
No, because my lord, the.
no, I'll not be preempting anything, but whatever documents are required for effective reply should be furnished to
Yes.
the petitioner on its application.
In fact,
I'll observe in the,
definitely.
Yes.
In fact, one of all those documents were already provided to the petitioner.
still, he
You
can
can see
make.
their one of the boldness. They say we
No,
don't
at
have
least
the
this,
experience."
this is an anonymous.
This is
But
anonymous,
the person, the noticee has the right to get it.
followed by this anonymous letter, my lord. We had
Okay.
also given them a notice, incorporating everything. Anyway, my lord, we'll
Heard
provide everything.
Mr. K. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. B. DJ Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. P. N. Goswami, Learned Additional Advocate General, Assam, for assisted by Mr. K. P. Pathak, Learned Standing Counsel, Environment and Forest Department for all the
Except 6.
1 to 5,
Except
and
6.
Mr. H. Olia, Learned Standing Counsel. Finance for the respondent was post of sorry. What, how you have supplied? Okay.
My lord, vehicles, my lord.
Okay, the petitioner,
Letter of
Come on.
acceptance is at 120.
a company, farmer company,
Company, my lord.
It's a company.
or company,
Private limited.
a company incorporated under the companies of 1956, He is primarily engaged in the business of IT, ITES, paragraph 2, general trading and constructions for about 2 decades. Full stop. Thus, by an invitation for bid for procurement of vehicles, or for invitation of bid. Where is that invitation of?
Page 34, my lord.
Okay.
Procurement of
Okay.
vehicle under Assam. process.
Invitation of bid was published by the Assam project, by the forest department or who?
Yes.
Forest,
It's a
Project
project.
director, my lord. Project director.
by the respondent, under the aegis of the respondent environment and forest department
No, well,
for a project,
additional-
quote unquote, page 34, procurement of vehicles under Assam project on forest and biodiversity conservation.
Phase 2.
That's phase 2, which is a project financed by AFD. What is AFD?
That's my lord,
Agency
agency development defense, it's a difficult
AFD,
pronunciation.
AFD. Full stop. The case of the petitioner is that
It's been drawn out.
the petitioner participated in the said tender process and became successful, became the successful bidder. First of the petitioner, company was accordingly awarded the work and it has successfully completed the same to the satisfaction of the respondent authorities. First of, after successful completion of the work, it raised its final bills amounting to rupees 10 crore 93 lakh 81,426. Full stop. The respondent authorities had also made part payment to the extent of 5 crore 40 lakh,
5.44 crore.
5 crore 40 lakh.
Yes, sir.
though it was made clear from the end of the petitioner company at the time of participation that it had no requisite prior experience for the contract work in question, comma. The respondent authorities, after successful completion of the work, had brought certain allegations regarding the experience criteria. And on the basis of such allegation, comma, the petitioner has posited that on the basis of such allegations, comma, the remaining amount, the outstanding dues to the extent of rupees 5,53,81,426 has not been disbursed, has been withheld till date. First of Mr. Choudhury, senior counsel for the petition, has submitted that after filing of the petition, comma, the petitioner has been served with a so-called notice. Why the letter number 190 video? What is the exact date?
16/10, my lord.
16/10/2023, within bracket, wrongly mentioned therein as
April.
10/4/2023. Whereby it has been asked to provide its explanation as to why it should not be blacklisted in a matter of supply of vehicles. Comma, which it has supplied after success emergence as the successful bidder. To stop, Mr. Choudhury has further pointed out that the so-called notice, an anonymous complaint has been made the basis of the so-called notice, which is untenable. Full stop. The petitioner company is in dark about the nature of allegations made in the said anonymous complaint, and unless the necessary document which has been made the basis of the so-called notice are not provided to the petitioner, the petitioner will not be in a position to make an effective representation against the so-called notice. Right? Mr. Choudhury, Goswami, will provide the details.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Only thing, my lord, will kindly record my objection that challenge to the blacklisting by an additional affidavit in a writ proceeding is not maintainable.
We are not observing it. Okay. Mr. Goswami,
My submission, my lord.
Learned additional advocate general has submitted that the petition has been preferred for release
Of money.
for disbursement of the remaining outstanding dues, alleged remaining outstanding dues, and as such, comma, no challenge can be made to the so-called notice by way of an additional affidavit which the petitioner has brought in the case record.
However, we'll
Issue
provide,
notice.
we'll provide all the documents. Complaints.
Mr. Goswami has submitted that the petitioner company will be supplied all the necessary documents,
Including
including the anonymous complaints which have been made on the basis of the so-called notice. Post of the petitioner will be at liberty to make an application if any further documents are required. Right? Issue notice as the first of after hearing the petition is prepared, seeking inter alia direction to the respondent authorities to disburse the amount of rupees 5,53,81,426. Issue notice returnable and so and so. Mr. Pathak, extra copies. All respondents?
Except
And
six.
Actually, yeah, actually. Fair. It is observed that the pendency of the petition shall not be a bar for the respondent authorities to consider the claim of the petitioner for disbursement of rupees so and so or any other amount found entitled to the petitioner in accordance with law. Full stop. Insofar as the issuance of so-called notice is concerned, the petitioner be provided all the documents which have been made the basis of the so-called notice, including the anonymous complaint, so as to enable the petitioner to submit an effective reply.
This within a period of 2 weeks from today, my lord.
Within a period of 2 weeks.
Thereafter, my lord, I'll file the
Issue notice returnable at a date period. 2011.
Item number 50.
Deep level.
Yes, your lordship, Nirman Associate.
My lord, in this section, my lord, two NITs are
Fishery
department.
Where is Mr. Fishery? Mr. P. Sharma is nowadays Fishery.
Yes, he was here, my lord.
You have another repetition, Fishery?
Yes, my lord.
Same name? Yes.
Same name. Yes, Lord. Your lordship may kindly come to page 34.
34.
34, that's a tender issued by the my lord district, my lord, the commissioner and secretary.
Form.
Sorry, my lord, 34.
Respondent number?
District Fishery Development Officer, Durham. Now,
Okay,
your
respondent number 4.
my lord,
Hmm.
this is a tender for supply of formulated fish feed.
Formulated fish feed. When it was published?
It was published on 20th of August 2023.
28.
Yes,
2008-2023.
my lord.
Okay.
Now, this is for supply of formulated fish feed and serial number 1, your lordship will find formulated fish feed. The estimated value is 12 lakhs and odd. Now, your lordship may come to another, my lord, NIT at page 38. Same date, although my lord, the date has been given on 18/8, but it was published on 20th of August. Same thing, my lord, formulated fish feed sinking. One is floating, this is sinking. Second sentence, my lord.
38.
Page 38.
Table or? Okay, 20. One is 34. Formulated fish feed.
Fish feed, that is floating.
Okay, one is floating, one is sinking.
One is sinking. And value, your lordship will find serial number 1
Same.
in the chart, 12 lakhs 39 and odd, my lord.
Same.
Now, these two, my lord, NITs are challenged on the ground that there is a clear, my lord, office memorandum which says that if it is more than 20 lakhs, it has to be, my lord, their true e-procurement by publishing in the Assam tender. Now, what they have done is that, my lord, in order to avoid that, they have split up this. And that is also clear from one communication, if your lordship kindly comes to page 41. This is a communication from the DFDO to District Information and Public Relation Officer. I don't know, my lord, why he has written that, perhaps because of some court case. Last B, your lordship will find. The total amount will be 24,79,998. And the tender will be taken as one item, fish feed. The splitting, floating and sinking will be treated as one tender of fish feed amounting to 24 lakhs and odd. Now, my lord, if it is not split, then, my lord, that OM, which requires that it has to be in, my lord, Assam tender portal, my lord, that can be avoided only by splitting it up. But they also say that it cannot be split up. Now, my lord, your lordship will notice that the last date has already gone. We could not participate. I could not, the petitioner could not participate because it was not, my lord, uploaded in Assam portal. Those office memorandums your lordship will find at page, one notification at page 27. One is at 26, one is at 27, my lord. 20, if your lordship comes.
What
to
is page 29?
29 is, my lord, it was earlier tender, my lord. I have given reference to show that, my lord, earlier what they have done.
Earlier it was
22.
e-procurement.
Serial number 4, no, my lord. They did not do 3 e-procurement.
Okay.
Page 26, your lordship will find this is a notification of 9th May 2023 by the Finance Department. In partial modification of office OM dated so and so, paragraph 4, this is modified. Henceforth, all administrative departments of the government of Assam and its subordinate directorate, office, agencies, etc., including institutions receiving granting date from Assam, shall adopt e-procurement http assamtender.gov.in.
Which paragraph?
Paragraph 2.
Page 27.
Page 26, madam. Henceforth, all administrative departments of government of Assam, etc., shall adopt e-procurement https assamtenders.gov.in for procurement of all goods and services and works for all tenders in values of 20 lakhs and above. This is one requirement. Another notification from the, my lord, Finance Department again, page 27. Your lordship may read, my lord, clause 5. It shall be responsibility of the senior-most secretary, tender floating authority, FA, senior FAs and FAs of the department to ensure that the value is not split up to avoid e-procurement. Now, my lord, from the documents that I have referred to just now, my lord, it is clear that they have split it up. But then, my lord, the next question that comes is that last that is already over, I could not participate. But in paragraph 18, I have made a statement. If your lordship comes to page 13, it has not been finalized. Presumably because, my lord, in a PIL, I have annexed the order at page 51. There was a, my lord, the allegation of corruption in fishery department, and my lord, an inquiry is being conducted. Because of all these, my lord, this is a scam, in fact. Paragraph 18, I have stated, my lord, that although the petitioner firm has not participated in the tender process due to non-uploading of the e-tender on the portal, it is the petitioner's categorical submission that the tender has not yet been allotted to any third party and thus no right have been accrued. Therefore, my lord,
Yes, this DFDO, why he is splitting up same thing in two tender, Mr. Sharma? Which page and which page? Page 30.
41.
Page where is floating?
41.
35 is floating. And 41 is sinking. So what makes him to publish two short tender in short tender?
my prayer at this stage will be, your lordship may issue notice or ask them to obtain instruction. If it is not finalized,
I have to
then it should
obtain
not be
instruction.
finalized.
What is the other case?
Other cases, my lord, item number
Let us see.
23, that is, my lord, regarding another district. This is for Darang district.
Let us see.
Other is
We'll
my
make the same effort.
same.
Why make the effort twice?
My lord, the instruction is different because tender is different.
Okay, point out. Or different thing. Complete different story or what?
My lord, the tender is different. Tendering authority is different.
But issue is same.
Issue is same.
Okay.
Issue is exactly same.
We'll take one by one. Heart, Mr. M.K. Chaudhary. Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. And Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, Fishery Department. For respondent 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finance.
Yes. Big over.
Mr. A. Cholia. Learned. Anybody?
Big over.
B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel. Finance Department for the respondent number 2. Full stop. Who are you? The petitioner, number
Yes,
1,
my lord, proprietorship firm.
is a micro enterprise and is in the business of
Manufacture and
manufacture. His feed is manufactured or how?
manufactured, my lord.
Okay.
The different ingredients.
Is in the
are-
business of fish,
Fish food, cattle feed
fish feed.
cattle feed and poultry feed, and everything, my.
In the business of feeds for fish, cattle, poultry, birds, pets, etc. The in this petition, comma, the petitioners. Okay. The petitioner enterprise has assailed the manner of floating two short notice inviting quotations within bracket S and IQ S small s comma both dated 18/8/2023, comma, by the respondent number 4. Full stop. No, senior counsel for that petition enterprise has submitted that the respondent authorities command, more particularly command respondent number 4, comma, has
Split up the, my lord.
split
The total requirement.
has split up the items of supply in 2 SNIQs in order to deviate from the mandatory requirement
Of e-procurement.
of e-procurement in the event the value of the works stroke supply is 20 lakh and above. Value of the work stroke supply to be made supply involves an amount of rupees 20 lakh and above, comma, as mandated
By OM
as mandated in the office memorandum dated 5/8/2015 and the office memorandum dated 10/6/2023 of the Finance Department. Full stop. Mr. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel, has further referred to a previous SNIQ wherein the same authority, i.e. the respondent number 4, had invited quotations for the same items, comma, quoted in the SNIQs, quoted in the two SNIQs dated 18/8/2023, in one single SNIQ. Page, within bracket, page number 29. Okay. Issue notice returnable in so and so. It is submitted that due to publication of the SNIQs only in the newspapers and not uploaded in the e-procurement portal, the petitioner has lost the opportunity of participation. Observation of this returnable insurance. Having regard to the the office memorandum dated 5/8/2015 has inter alia provided that the tendering authority in the department of the state government, in the departments of the state government, is required to ensure that the tender value is not split up to avoid procurement. And the office memorandum dated 10/6/2023 has provided that in any procurement process of goods, services and works where the tender value involved is rupees 20 lakhs and above, the administrative department and its subordinate directorate offices are required to adopt e-procurement, required to do the same through the e-procurement process. In view of such conditions incorporated therein, it is provided that the respondent authorities may proceed with the proceed to process the bids received in response to the two SNIQs dated 18/8/2023, but shall not finalize the processes, till the returnable date, without the leave of the court. Issue notice, extra copies. Extra copies by today?
Yes, my
Returnable 22/11. Extra copies by today.
Same.
What is the other one?
Similar.
Other one, SNIQ or what?
Here also what happened, the first tender, they did not give the value. In order to hide the value, they have given the KG, my lord. If you also see, my lord, kindly page. Page 34.
Petitioner number 1, MS Enterprise. Common.
Page 28, your worship will find.
Page
28. There, my lord, they have tried to conceal the value by saying the kgs and numbers. Fish fingerling, then fish feet.
Wangangam is more smarter.
40 lakhs.
This man is more smarter. He did not disclose the value itself.
Here in this case, can go back.
Yeah, in this copy.
Second copy of this one.
Another copy that did the next.
You want to go through 626, then we'll take a
I'll
look.
give another copy. Well, I have got a copy. They have not given.
Okay. M.K. Chaudhary, Senior County Executive Principal. P. Sharma. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finance BU 2. Tender process কিবা এটা কৈছিল ন হ্যাঁ টোটেল কিবা এটা কৈছিল না আগতে টেন্ডার নোটিস লিখবে এসএন আই গুড লিখব টেন্ডার নোটিস dated
One is matter 17/4/2023.
this one page 28 is 17/4
Yes, my.
dated 17/4/2023 full stop. You did not participate.
No, well, I could not participate.
সেইটো
because
আগৰটো
it's not
লিখিব
reported.
আগৰ তলৰখিনি লিখিব মাজৰখিনি থৈ Mr. Chaudhary by referring to
The OMs are at page 26 and 27 here.
okay 26 page 20
26 and 27.
এইখন যে আছিল অফিস মেমোরেন্ডাম এইখিনি লিখি দিব আগৰখনৰ পৰা Mr. Chaudhary by referring to the office memorandum dated so and so 5/8/2015 and office memorandum dated 10/6/2023 has submitted that the respondent number 4 had mentioned the requirements of the commodities stroke items in the tender notice either in numbers or in cases instead of the requirement to mention about the
Estimated value.
estimated value of the contract work. Post of issue notice. Agora shall not finalize. Extra copies within today, by today, Mr. Sharma.
Highly obliged.
Item number 16.
Will you make a note?
Lordship, my senior Mr. Foucault is on legs right now. May the matter be passed over for timing?
Pass over for the timing today.
Yes, Lordship.
There is no chance.
17.
17.
Item 31.
When written?
May I please? Well, again, non-payment of bills, but this time, my lord, that interest part is not there, that it be before the facilitation committee.
Will issue notice only?
Just a issue.
No twist and turn.
Lordship,
No twist and turn.
twist and turn here, madam.
You can senior counsel.
Certificate is also
assisted by MS Khonigar.
Khonigar.
S. Khonigar.
Yes, Khonigar.
Mr. S. Bora.
All the respondents,
All the respondents.
Department of Housing as well as GMC money.
Department of Standing Council, Department of Housing and Urban Affairs and Roman
Yes.
Inquiry was GMC for
All.
the respondents. Full stop. The it is a case of the petitioner that the petitioner company was issued an work order on 22/12/2020 by the respondent number by the commission. Commissioner is not a party. Okay. Commission.
3 to 10 by the commissioner.
GMC.
Commissioner.
Commissioner is GMC. for a contract work of segregation of 3,61,000 MT of legacy waste and using trommels, other elite infrastructure. Elite is incorporated in the tender work. Is it incorporated?
Which one, my lord?
Elite.
Elite, no.
Huh? You have quoted, unquoted.
Allied, man.
Allied, not elite, my lord. Lordship,
Huh?
find it page number 21.
20. It's allied.
Allied, man.
Allied.
Allied.
Elite.
Otherwise,
Could have been something.
code will be page 20. Page 20 লিখিব তাতে কোড কৰা আছে biomining stroke segregation of legacy waste using trommels, other allied infrastructure and manpower. Difficult to rely on synopsis.
Synopsis one. Elite. And my lord, page 64, my lord, will have that the completion certificate.
Most of the it is the further case of the petitioner that after successful execution of the work, contract work, the petitioner page
64, my lord.
was issued a completion certificate on 7/6/2022 by the respondent number
The respondent number, executive engineer. Respondent number 7.
7. Full stop. The petitioner has submitted his final bills.
Two bills.
A petitioner has submitted 2 invoices, dated 18/4/2022 and dated 18/5/2022, for a total amount of rupees.
1,176,98,731.
Where is that?
My lord,
Prayer.
20 prayer. man.
Prayer.
60.
1
70.
crore 76,98,731. With a grievance that the said amount of rupees so and so has not been yet disbursed, the petitioner has preferred an instant petition issue notice extra no formal notice as Mr. Bora prepared extra copies.
Today itself.
During the course of it.
Well, pendency will not.
Pendency, it is observed that the pendency of the writ petition shall not be barred for the respondent authorities to consider and examine the claims of the petitioner to the extent of rupees so and so or any other amount found entitled to the petitioner in accordance with law.
Much obliged.
Item number 18.
My lord, this is the second time petition, my lord. First, there is an order, my lord, page 46, my lord.
And Bora, petitioner.
My lord. My lord. Thereafter, my lord, inquiry was conducted.
Fishery.
My lord.
Standing council fishery and standing council ABC for all the as for number 1, 2, and 3. And Mr. G. Bokolia, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 4 and 5. Yes, what is your PR?
PR, my lord, my lord.
Oh, that Bolahi Champara. What
Yes,
happened
my
now?
Now, my lord, there is an inquiry. Please may kindly see page 60.
No, what is your PR?
PR is, my lord, waive my lord some amount. Because of that, they did not hand over me, my lord. Page, my lord, 50, my lord.
See the prayer.
My lord, before that, my lord, page 65, my lord, just my little lordship. Page 65.
What?
In your lordship order, they made an inquiry. They stated the last page, 65 last line, my lord. Prima facie, it can be said that lessee has not yet taken possession of the 4 parts of the man.
The petitioner, the case of the petitioner is that the petitioner, on emergence of the, as the successful bidder, the petitioner has been awarded with the settlement of a fishery named Bolai Champara Fishery District.
This is Lord Lakhimpur.
Not Lakhimpur, for a period of 7 years. from the financial year colon 2022-2023 at an annual settlement amount of rupees
32 lakhs per year.
huh?
32
Where is the
lakhs.
order of settlement?
My lord,
Okay. Okay. At a fixed settlement amount. Post of
based
alleging that with a grievance that despite the order of settlement dated 23/2022,
22.
comma, the entire project area, the entire fishery area, within bracket, water, measuring 214 hectares
My lord.
has not been handed over to the petitioner, though the petitioner is for petitioner, comma, has been, comma, from time to time, comma, seeking proper demarcation of the fishery area.
An inquiry was conducted and inquiry report.
Mr. Pera, Mr. Bora, counsel for the petitioner, by referring to the communication
Page
bearing
65.
number so and so, page 65, dated 1/9/2023 of the circle officer, Puvon Hidi Revenue Circle, comma, addressed to the respondent number,
Managing Director of Assam Fisheries Revenue.
respondent number 2,
Man.
has submitted that till 1/9/2023, from the said communication, it is evident that till 1/9/2023, the petitioner as the receipt has not been able to take possession of four parts of the fishery. So you should notice returnable.
May I pay for connecting into WPC 72223? Because
How many? Those are
Kilakili Pond, they are saying that.
that is Kirakiri.
There are 6 cases in Bolai.
Ah.
In Bolai Sampara, people use.
There is no interim order operating. So let us see. That one is what? One is,
everybody
it is not AFDC fishery.
That is in.
One is what?
One
The
is for-
villagers complaining
Yes.
that Kirakiri was not,
Four
they were a
cases.
part of
This is the 5th case.
Champara, Bolai Champara.
This is 5th cases in Bolai Sampara. People used to. give cases.
Okay, next date you make an issue notice returnable on so and so, as Mr. So and so and Bokolial so and so. Extra copies within the day,
Well, pendency no. but-
during the course of the day. They are doing it.
Well, pendency no, but consider my.
It cannot be a bar.
Well,
This kind of observation is not required.
Item number 19.
Mr. I. Talukdar.
Yes,
Direct counsel for the petitioner. Mr. G. Bokolial, Junior Government Advocate Assam for all the respondents? For all the respondents, full stop. The petitioner has raised a grievance. In this petition, the petitioner has raised a grievance that his vehicle bearing registration number NL, Nagaland, NL 01 AE 5224, within bracket tipper, has been detained by the respondent number 6 on 23/6/2023 without serving any seizure
Yes, ma'am.
memo.
Yeah.
That is the case. Okay. Issue notice returnable. It will tell detail. I got it. 15/11. Only information, if no case is registered, this authority, OC, has no power to detain that. If the case is registered, he should have given the seizure memo. Mr. Bokolial and Junior Government Advocate Assam, extra copies during the course of the day. Mr. Bokolial and Junior Government Advocate Assam shall obtain the instructions as to why such detainment, or no, why the petitioner's vehicle has been detained since 23/6/2023 without serving any seizure memo to the petitioner.
Yes.
Full stop. On the returnable.
In the meantime, my lord,
Or no, in the meantime. That is why I have
Yes.
preponed the date.
Yes. Fine.
Item number
If there is nothing, he will release it.
20.
Yes,
Please, your lordship.
contract due.
My lord, notice may comment.
Heard Mr. T.K. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS
MD Bora,
MD Bora, learned standing counsel,
Transport Department.
Transport Department for the respondent, all the
All the
respondents,
respondents.
all the respondents, full stop. What vehicle?
Lordship, these are all supply materials, computer, software,
Okay.
and stationery materials. So since October 2022 till July 2023, Lordship, he has not been receiving any amount from the department, from the Assam Police Headquarters.
It
That is
is
my
the
difference.
case of the petitioner that on the basis of work orders issued by the respondent authorities, the petitioner supplied various items and raised invoices in respect of such supplies. Full stop. The total, according to petitioner, the total amount of the invoices is rupees 29,06,774.
46 lakhs, 46 lakhs, 52,111.
No, I'm going by total amount. Part payment is made or what?
Only till September 22, it is paid. But Lordship may come to kindly synopsis.
Out of the, no, we are into the prayer.
Lordship.
29 lakhs, 6,000.
Out of the supplies made, an amount of rupees 29 lakh,
My lord.
6,077.
So total amount is Lordship
774.
46 lakhs 50.
Oh, that is why I have corrected it,
Yes, Lordship.
because your synopsis is not reflecting anything.
This is kindly Lordship may come to.
Out of the total amount raised through invoices, an amount of rupees 29,06,774
My lord.
has remained outstanding till date. Post of seeking disbursal, seeking a direction for disbursement of the said amount that the instant repetition has been prepared.
I'm sorry, Lordship. Kindly Lordship may come.
No, kindly, we'll go by the prayer, Mr. Mishra.
Lordship, kindly
Come to page 11.
page 65, Lordship.
Come to page 11.
65, Lordship.
Come to page 11.
Prayer person to software.
Why you are not understanding it?
Apna prayer to software.
Then Lordship, I may be permitted to file another affidavit.
No, amendment, why amendment, and it will go by 6 months. It will be delayed by 6 months.
It may be mistaken, Lordship, because my.
We'll
account-
go by this, Master.
My prayer portion, Lordship, kindly come to page 11. Lordship may kindly come.
No,
to page
read petition, Mr. Mishra. Read petition is basically on admitted.
11. No, it is prayer, Lordship, in the prayer portion,
Prayer person, page 12, 29.
page 11, Lordship.
Page 12,
Page
Mr.
12.
We'll not waste time, Mr. Like this. You have made it 29,06,664.
My petition, Lordship, it is page 11, Lordship, 46 lakhs something.
Page 12, 29 lakhs, 6,774.
Where? Is here.
Page
Page 12 in my petition, it is affidavit. So I will.
You make all your submission from your petition. We'll go by the petition before the court. Before the court, it is 29,06,774.
I may be allowed to file
It is-
fresh. I may be allowed to file a fresh Lordship.
You file it before.
Lordship. It's a.
We'll
gross-
go by this. We'll not go by what is there in your petition.
Understand, Lordship.
But it
Mr.
should be,
DK Mishra and Council for the petition has submitted that as an inadvertent, inadvertent mistakes have crept in the repetition, comma, the petitioner wants to withdraw the repetition with the liberty to file a press MS MD Bora present.
Lordship,
In view of the above submission made by Mr. Mishra, the repetition is dismissed on withdrawal, comma, with the liberty as prayed for.
I am obliged.
Okay. Item number 21.
Yes.
Yes, no, no, it's a private capital market. Man.
Huh.
So, my lord, you know,
Yes.
I'm gonna pay-
Associated, what is the prayer here?
Yes, madam. Page 17, my lord. So it is on
Page,
page 17. So,
prayer, page.
oh, prayer. madam. Page 9, my lord. So representation is before deputy commissioner, still pending, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
My
Bokulia.
lord, similar matter your lordship has disposed of, which is at
Okay.
page, my lord, start from page 17, my lord. Operative portion at page 20, whereby your lordship has directed
Okay,
page 20, my lord.
page 17, page 17, huh? Page 17 order to say, Ike Sharma, petitioner. Zibo Kulial, Junior Government Advocate Assam, order as per number.
My lord. Commissioner Home Department 1, my lord.
1,
2, or 1,
3,
3,
4,
4,
and 6.
my lord.
And MS and Bora Alliance Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respondent number 2. 2. Full stop. ইয়াতে page 7 here, para 2, 5 or 6 more pencil লিখি দিছো। তাৰপিছত para 3 লিখিব। It has been projected that the petitioner is a permanent resident within the territorial jurisdiction of Bir Singh Zarua Gao Panchayat and Bir Singh or Bar Singh?
Bir Singh.
Huh?
Bir Singh.
Gao Panchayat or Anchalik Panchayat?
Anchalik Panchayat.
Huh?
Anchalik Panchayat.
Wrongly again. Paragraph 3. We go by your statements in the repetition. Wrong again. Padmir Alga Gam Panchayat and Bar Singh Zarua Anchalik Panchayat, District Dhubri. Same Katlamari.
Yes, madam.
এখানে ঠিক আছে কি এই it is in the above by total, huh? It would change over.
Paragraph 4.
The petitioner who is an owner and possessor of a plot of land measuring 9 bighas. Paragraph 4 does.
Paragraph 4.
Huh? Paragraph 4. It will change to paragraph 4. My page is You have open market, anything?
No.
No. Okay. The petitioner is a pencil or I contemplate it. Accordingly, petitioner submitted a representation
24/8/2000.
dated submitted a representation before the
Deputy Commissioner.
Deputy Commissioner Dhubri, within bracket respond number
3, madam.
3 on 24
24/8/2013.
2023. Seeking permission to operate an animal market on and from the subject lot, full stop. As the said representation is found to have not received due consideration till date, the petitioner has approached by this court by the instant writ petitioner. Paragraph 4, paragraph 5, paragraph 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6. Paragraph 5. Paragraph 6 or both Mr. Bokolial and MS Bora have submitted that since the petitioner has already approached the respondent number 3 in his capacity as the district magistrate and the competent authority under the Act and the rules, seeking permission to operate an animal market from his private parlance, i.e., the subject lot, as indicated herein above, in accordance with the provisions of the Act and the rules, this repetition can be disposed of, at this stage, with a direction to the respondent number 3. In his capacity as the district magistrate and the competent authority under the Act and the rules, to take the representation dated 24/8/2023, already submitted by the petitioner before him, on board. And after consideration, to pass appropriate order as regards permission to operate the annual market or otherwise from the on and from the subject lot on its own merits. Para 7. The same can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent number 3. To take to the respondent number 3 in his capacity as a district magistrate and the competent authority under the Act and the rule, to take the representation dated 24/8/2023, already submitted by the petitioner before him, on board. And after consideration of same in terms of unit tickets. Within a period of 4 weeks, You read the market elsewhere? Let us see the order. If they are claiming they are Patalan as per the table, page 8. Page 8. Page 8.
Phase 8 is the table, yes. Otherwise, NIT was on the 2/5/2023, my lord. After 5 months, they are challenging.
I
have stated the cause of delay, lordship, paragraph 6 and 7, because when they want to collect
Okay.
it,
You doctor petitioners. As doctor, I go to it. From a Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the response number,
1, 2, 4, and 5.
Mr. Bukulial. Or
Is for 3.
3, and Mr. Aviator, yes, Mr. Yes, Huda, Learned Council for the response number 7 stroke Aviator. Full stop. How many petitioners?
There are 7 petitions.
Okay. Described in tables. In the table paragraph 3. It is in Revenue Village, Zaribor, Moja, Lahori Ghat, Revenue Circle, Lahori Ghat, District Morigaon.
Number.
Market named. Named?
Oguri Daily Bazaar.
Huh?
Oguri Daily Bazaar.
Where is that?
It is lordship, you will find in the page.
In the synopsis?
Synopsis is there, my
Synopsis it
lord.
is also. Synopsis of some.
By 5th line.
Hmm?
5th line from the top.
5th line. Oguri Daily Bazaar.
Yeah.
Children digital issue, it has changed over. Tender notice same date, 2/5/2000.
Same there. Serial number is different.
Okay, it is in favor of response number 7.
7. Page 51 is, no, sorry. Page 49 is the order of settlement. 48.
One Mohammed, see, Lolit Chandra Bodole.
Lalit Chandra Bodole.
Within bracket, response number 7. Mr. Pera for you, Mr. Dutta. Last training as a Panchayat and Rural Development Department has submitted that you obtained the necessary instructions as regards the details of the land on which Oguri Daily Market has been settled by the respondent Panchayat authorities. Mr. Huda, Expera. Learned Council for the petition has submitted that after the order of settlement dated. It is 23/6/2023, command up. Response number 7 has been operating, running the market. Para. Issue notice returnable on 22/11/2023. Yes, so and so appeared, no formal notice. You Dr. furnish extra copy. Okay. Having regard to the projections made in the repetition, more particularly, the statements and environments made in paragraph 3 of the repetition, it is ordered that till the returnable date, the respondent Morigaon Jilla Parishad, Lahorigarh Anchalik Panchayat, and the respondent number 7 shall not operate or run the market name Oguri Daily Market from or within the plots of land described in paragraph 3 above. Full stop. The respondent authorities are at liberty to operate the Oguri Daily Market at any place other than the plots of land that stated to have belonged to the petitioners herein. Right?
Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 27.
Aku
25 to
27.
27, my lord, with all respect.
27.
Yeah, my lord, with all respect, my lord. If your lordship comes to the affair, my lord, that is at least 10, my lord.
Yes, MS Bora.
Lordship, at that relevant point, my only issue is she was a minor. She was a minor at that.
Not
Now, up to when you have filed this affair?
My lord, with all respect, my lord, I am coming to page 10.
Page 10 is the FIR, Lordship.
My lord, this
What
is-
are the normal orders passed in this kind of allegation?
Interim, my lord.
Interim, Lordship.
Interim. B.K. Mahajan,
My.
petitioner. S.H. Bora, addition public prosecutor. 438. Sapor police station case number. In the first information report registered on 3/10/2023, it has interiorly been alleged that who made it? Petition 1 or 2?
One, Lordship.
The petition number 1 solemnizes his marriage, which with a lady solemnizes his marriage in the year 2020. With a lady who was then aged about 16 years. Full stop. The petition number 2 is the father
Yes.
of the petition number 1.
Yes.
Full stop. When? Case diary.
Lordship, on 29/11.
29/11. Case diary. It is projected on behalf of the petitioners that. Yes, any submission?
My lord, marriage has not been solemnized, my lord.
That the alleged marriage, the marriage, alleged in the affair was not solemnized. No marriage.
No marriage, my lord.
No marriage, as alleged in the affair, was solemnized in the year 2020. Full stop. Having regard to the allegations made in the affair and the projection made on behalf of the petitioners, it is provided in the range 25,000 each, 130. Appear before the IO 10 days
Only one objection may be recorded, so it was a minor damage.
The additional public prosecutor has however raised objection that the petition number one, the marriage was solemnized when the girl was allegedly minor
Obliged.
and has
May I make
has
an
objected to the prayer for interim relief.
may I make an unusual prayer, my lord? Item number 25, my lord. We are waiting, my lord, but it came up in the morning, my lord. Item number
Yes.
25,
Call for case diary.
my lord.
Call for case diary.
My lord.
Okay, name to Malibu.
It was not.
We call for case diary.
Well, can I make a prayer, my lord? Let's see. There, my lord, there is a cross space. And my lord, section 8, my lord, that 41 a notice has not been served. It is applicable to Costco
We
also. my
call,
lord.
when case diary has been called for.
My lord, can it be during
Short date may
vacation?
be- Any short date may be given just after vacation.
Yes, yes. No. Vacation, no, my lord. My lord, can it be, my lord, we'll mention.
No,
it.
we don't fix. If you want to make want to fix it before within the vacation, make a mention before the proper court. We will not fix. Or you can adjourn it. Two options. We don't
My lord, can it
fix
Can
in vacation.
can it be adjourned, my lord? We can try, make a try
Okay.
before the registry, my lord, if possible. my lord.
Okay, that can be done,
No,
My lord.
but we will not fix.
My lord, along with CD, my lord.
No, that will not.
My lord.
If you simply want to adjourn it, adjourn it. If you want fixation after vacation, we can fix it, but we will not fix within the vacation.
My lord, after the-
By calling for case diary.
calling for case diary, my lord, on the. Oh, after
Two
vacation.
options.
No, yeah, I have understood, my lord. I have understood. After vacation, my lord, and
Or
there
you can
is,
fix it on 6/11
my lord, my lord.
if you want,
Yes, my lord, very much.
or if you want simple adjournment, we'll simple
On 6/11,
6/11.
and my lord, that authority of our high court, my lord, a notice to the, my lord, the Dusty will serve, my lord.
Who?
To
the
the
informant,
the
Lordship.
victim, my lord,
To the informed victim.
informed victim.
Is it there part of the, I don't know.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. That authority says, my lord, without hearing the victim or relatives, my lord, cannot be disposed of, my lord.
That victim is a respondent there.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. Respond number 2. my lord.
Okay, the petitioner is permitted to take steps for service of notice is to be issued.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, issue notice to the respondent number 2.
yes, Lordship.
Returnable on 6/11.
My lord. Dusty, my lord.
The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice among the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD within 2 working days from today. In addition, the petitioner is permitted to take steps for service of such notice by way of Dusty, which is to be routed to the registry and compliance affidavit.
Highly obliged, my lord. Excellent.
Item number 28.
My lord, kindly see FIR page 19, my lord. There is a case which has been filed. My lord. I mean, so operative portion is page 19, my lord. FIR appears at page 15.
NDPS.
Yes, NDPS case,
What
and
happened?
it's charge sheeted, my lord. And I have been shown as absconder. Actually,
What is the law?
Lordship, the thing is that if he's intent to participate in the trial court, Lordship, let him appear before the trial court within 10 days, Lordship. Till then, his anticipatory bail may be granted, Lordship.
My
Only
lord,
for 10
Where is the
days,
law?
Lordship.
Where is the law?
my lord, I have annexed certain orders.
Siddharth case, Lordship.
My lord, I have annexed
Maybe
certain
appeal.
orders.
The issue has been referred to a larger bench.
Yes, Lordship, at this stage.
And
Larger bench, whether an absconder can seek for anticipatory bail.
No, sir.
But
That
my lord,
cannot be otherwise, Lordship. That is not yet.
kindly see, my lord.
Oh, will not
similar
provide
process. Page 65.
We can issue not only thing we can.
Page 60 better went to Supreme Court and Supreme Court upheld the order, my lord. That's why, my lord, I am submitting page 65. In a similar case, bail was granted by our High Court.
Page 65 is session court.
Yes.
No, so many orders, at page 82 again, see, page 82.
These are all criminal
After charge
revision
sheet,
petition and this is anticipatory bail, Lordship.
And no, it was criminal petition. In criminal petition, bail has been granted.
Or this has been, I know, don't make submission on it. This has been what the Supreme Court has ordered in this case, do you know?
Supreme
Page
Court-
82,
It is
don't
on-
rely on it,
It is with me, my lord.
don't rely on it.
No, my submission is only this. my
We
lord.
can call for the scanned copy of the case.
Can
Yes.
copy,
At
my
best,
lord, I have come to
At
know.
best, Lordship.
It is in High Court. It is in High Court.
Scanned copy,
Yes.
which is the AB? In connection with which AB? If it has already been called for,
Criminal,
we can connect this.
Yes,
Yes.
Lordship, that the matters may be amalgamated, Lordship. Both the
it is
matters.
pending in criminal petition number 870/2023.
Okay. Is it there is a fixed date?
Next,
Is there any fixed date?
fixed date.
No, it is disposed on yesterday.
Disposed
It is disposed on yesterday.
and,
It is disposed on, it has been withdrawn. It
That
has
has
been withdrawn by us yesterday. The honorable court granted permission that you file AB and CD shall remain here in that manner.
not CD, scanned
Scan
copy.
copy.
It's con- sorry, it's con- So if you.
Where is the order? Where is the order?
That you mentioned this, I will keep the record. Record is kept in court number 20.
No, if there is, that scanned copy has already been in the court or
Yes.
registry,
Yes, Lordship.
we can expedite the issue.
Yes. That's why Lordship may kindly fix the matter on the day before yesterday.
Okay. Okay. The Mr. M.U. Mahmood or the petitioner and MS S.H. Bora, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent state of Assam, post of 438, in connection with special NDPS case number 08/2023, arising out of
Arising out of Karimganj,
what is that? Yes,
this
details.
Special NDPS case number 8/2023.
No, that is the recorded.
Corresponding
What
to
is the
GR
case
case number
number?
155.
Karimganj.
Lordship. Corresponding to GR
To
case
GR case number 155.
155 of the-
Arising out of. Where is that police station?
GR case, Lordship, 155 of the 2023.
Page.
Lordship, with the
Karimganj,
first item,
Karimganj
phase
case.
2. In the matter of Lordship. First item, Lordship.
Arising out of Karimganj Police Station case number 50/2023 and GR case number
155, Lordship,
155, 2023,
23.
presently pending before the court of learned
Additional session judge Karimganj, Lordship, special judge.
for the purpose of consideration for the prayer for pre-arrest bail, it appears necessary to consider to peruse the scanned copy of the case record of NDPS case number 08/2023. By placing a copy of an order dated 17/10/2023 passed in criminal petition number 870/2023 within brackets Rehanuddin versus the state of Assam and another, over bracket. Mr. Mahmood, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that in the said criminal petition, the scanned copy of the LCR had already been called for and was received. Full stop. in the order dated 17/10/2023, passed in criminal petition number so and so, there is already a reflection that the scanned copy of the LCR be retained. Full stop. In view of the same, the registry the registry shall tag the scanned copy of the LCR, received in connection with criminal petition number 870/2023, which was already withdrawn, which the instant bail application, and list this case on
2011, Lordship.
20, before that 2011,
Then 1411. Lordship.
1411.
But in this case, someone has been issued by the Lanet trial court.
That is different. We are examining 438. 1411, that LCR is to be connected with this bail petition.
I beg my lord's pardon, my lord. My lord will not, I beg my lord's pardon, my lord. In 25, that motion matter, my lord. Lordship fixed on 611, my lord. My lord, there are two case diaries, my lord. We lodged the case first, both can be called for, my lord. I beg my lord's pardon, my lord, to interrupt, my lord.
Why this installment submission?
My lord, because we missed, I'm beg my lord's pardon, my lord. Both from this.
Case number kiba ase side go dukho
One is dispute PS case 2009.
production of case diary. This is of the so and so and so and so.
And one is dispute 2011.
Hmm?
One is dispute 2009 and one is dispute 2011. 2023 million.
Yes.
Obliged, Milord. Very obliged.
Item number 29.
Yes, B Bora petitioner, SH Bora public prosecutor. Yes, 438.
438.
Okay.
FIR is on page number 15, Lordship. There is a
In the
last-
first information report registered on 21/9/2023, the informant has inter alia alleged that the informant's daughter, aged about 23 years, had been missing since 10/9/2023. Full stop. When?
Lordship, on 2111.
2111, list on swings for production of the case diary. Full stop. The petitioner
It's a laugh if I were.
has ever that there was no force or coercion on the part of the petitioner and the informant's daughter, who is aged about 23 years, had voluntarily eloped with the petitioner, and as on date, she is living happily with the petitioner. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has also referred to an affidavit shown by the informant's daughter within bracket, but annex
And except for
4 and the photographs to buttress his submission. In view of the nature of allegations made in the affair and the projections made on behalf of the petitioner, it is provided in the interim 25,000. One COT. Appear before the IO.
obliged, Lordship.
10 days.
Obliged.
Item number 30.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Bolai Roy.
May I
Yes.
please? Earlier, Your Lordship, my renewal was not made on the ground that I have not submitted fresh NOC, Your Lordship, from the Gaon Panchayat. And there, against that, I approached this honorable court and Your Lordship, by the order dated 1/9/2023, Your Lordship, Annex 12, page 59, 62, Your Lordship, the 11 portion. Your Lordship order is there, para 7.
So as on that, what is the grievance?
So Your Lordship has,
Non-renewal of your,
Your Lordship,
non-renewal of your
permit.
permit. Will issue notice?
Two intervening issues that happened. That committee is headed by CCF. He went on a government tour to South Africa. Now again, my lord, he joins. He joins, my lord, he is sent back to deputation on central governments. Now new person is joined. I have instruction from the DFO. He may apply afresh, my lord, or he can.
Already
We are not concerned with going to South Africa somebody. We are not concerned with that cannot be cannot be submitted before the court.
No, my lord, that committee is headed by PCC.
What is that?
CCF. So he was not there,
Form new committee, that is a different thing.
my lord.
That
Now I
cannot
have
be.
instructions that he can approach, my lord.
Already
He is
approached,
already,
Your Lordship.
No, the
Already
let-
approved, Your Lordship.
No,
has
the
already-
letter, my lord, the DFO is looking into, my lord. This letter I had sent in the morning.
No, we are not concerned with South Africa.
No, South Africa part is gone. I'm just submitting.
Ah.
The new
Which,
CCF.
anything is pending.
I have applied for renewal on
Heard Mr.
R. Mujumdar, Your Lordship,
Port Majumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner,
7/12.
and Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Environment and Forest Department for
All respondents, my lord.
agreed by non-renewal of his permit
Yes,
for stone crusher unit.
Stone Crusher unit.
The petitioner has instituted the instant petition, issue notice, returnable on 22/11/2022. As Mr. Gogoi appeared accepted, no formal notice, extra copies. By today, the pendency, it is observed that pendency of the petition shall not be a bar for the respondent authorities to consider the matter of renewal of the permit of the petitioner in accordance with law.
31,
May I please, Your Lordship?
Before, my learners may start, my lord. This is meta and BTC area, but BTC has not been made a part respondent.
Small medium enterprise, my lord, they are dealing with.
BTC not a party.
My lord.
Huh, Mr. Sharma?
BTC.
BTC, they are saying now.
Tender, my lord, same item number 15 and
But
23.
BTC have to be made a person
My lord,
Why?
because the order.
Transfer subject,
My lord.
transfer.
no, my lord. It's a
Okay.
tender matter, my lord.
This DFDO is under BTC.
My lord.
Call one BTC,
My lord,
call one BTC man.
my lord. My lord.
Then I will permit you to file amended cost title by including BTC, but call one BTC man.
My lord. Because
Can
that
you call?
tender has been floated by the DFDO of Sirang, my lord.
Now he is saying that
Sirang.
transfer subject. Fishery is a transfer subject.
My lord.
So please, Mr. Solia, you are BTC.
Yes. That's my decision.
Lordship, I have to find out if any BTC councils are available at the moment.
So in that case, DFDO can be represented by BTC council,
My lord.
right? And you have to make the BTC as a party. I'll permit you to file amended cost title in amendment. So call one BTC council.
I'll call.
In fact, my lord, in page number 7, the party structure, they have made the
MS
DF.
Bora, otherwise it is covered by the order passed already.
Lord,
My lord.
You file amended cost title later on. Solia, Mr. S. Sharma. Petitioner. Petitioners. MD Bora, Standing Council. Fishery.
So 1 and 3, my lord.
Respond number 1 and 3.
My lord.
Now you have understood. She cannot receive notice for respond number 4.
My lord.
H. Oliha, Standing Council Finance. For the respondent number
2 and 6. I think.
2.
Yes.
It is from Director of Fisheries, Finance Officer. I don't
The
know.
Lordship, I can appear on his behalf, the Director of Fisheries.
Ah. 1, 3, and 6. Huh? Who is this district state nodal office? If it is state, it will be state. If it is district, it will be BTC.
Because Milord tender was floated by District Fisheries Development Officer Milord.
Right, respondent number 4.
My
Who is this respondent number 5?
They are arranging the for
Whether district or state.
district Milord.
Why you have brought state then? Respondent number 5.
District Milord.
Okay, the petition number 1. 15 or 15 again already passed for us. Is a micro enterprise, registered micro enterprise. Comma involved in the business of feeds, cattle feeds, poultry feeds, bird feed, etc. Where the tender notice?
My lord, the
Apni
earlier
help
the
koribo.
first tender was floated
23
based-
to order us, na 23.
based
23 to order us. Where is that?
My lord, earlier initially it's at page 32. That was cancelled, my lord, subsequently.
32.
Page 32, 15/5/23 date, my lord.
Okay. It was done like very good.
Then
1 minute. This serial number 15. 15,
15 and
serial number
23.
15.
Then, my lord, it was cancelled, page 36, my lord. Subsequently, after 3 months, my lord.
Okay.
Then they have-
organically cook. The respondent number, the petitioner enterprise has instituted the repetition to a sale, a notice inviting quotation dated 15/9/2023, page 37.
Correct, my lord.
Any other? And a notice inviting quotation dated 15/9/2023, annexer H or annexer I,
My lord.
issued by the respondent number 4,
My lord.
whereby he has invited quotations for supply of items, different items indicated therein. Full stop. The petitioner has contended that at an earlier point of time, comma, a notice inviting quotation was published on 15/5/2023 within bracket annexer E, whereby the same authority, that is, comma, the respondent number 4, invited quotations for items in a single NIQ. The same items which have been split into 2
My lord.
NIQs on 15/9/2023.
My lord.
তাৰপিছত অফিচ মেমৰেণ্ডাম দুখন আছে,
My lord.
এই
Page
দুখন
30.
দি দিব। অফিচ মেমৰেণ্ডাম dated
10/6/23, page 30, my lord.
annexer,
Page 30,
Yeah, go.
annexer C, my lord.
annexer C 20 লাখৰ হয় আৰু
Annexer
5
D.
August 2015 annexer D আছে, issue notice shall not finalized.
My lord, my lord.
PTC. Mr.
BTC council are not available.
Okay. As prayed for by Mr. Sharma, the petition is allowed. Learned counsel for the petition, the petitioner is allowed to file amended cause title in terms of the notification dated so and so before the registry for increment of the Borough and Territorial Council.
My lord, my lord.
Mr. Who can accept notice?
P Nayak was.
You can inform, you can accept
I
notice.
can accept notice.
My lord, my lord.
H only.
But
Representing Mr.
P9.
P Nayak,
P Nayak lordship.
standing council BTC for the respond number 4 and 5. 4 and 5.
My lord.
4 and 5.
Obliged.
Obligement.
Expect copies by today
My lord.
to Mr. Cholia.
My lord.
Obliged.
আগৰ কেইটা কেতিয়া দিছিল? MK Choudhury. 2211.
Bail hearing be item number 32.
Bail hearing.
Here perhaps lordship scan copy was called for. and
Not received.
I've been informed that is not received.
Not received, scan copy, charge sheeted.
May kindly be amalgamated with case number
Huh?
B2866 with similar matter,
When it is fixed.
911.
Okay. On Mr.
M. Rahman.
M. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that in another bail application, BA number,
BA 2866/23.
arising out of Jalukbari Police Station case number 269/2023, has already been ordered to be listed on 9/11/2023. He has thus paid for listing of the bail application. This bail application also on 9/11/2023. List this bail application on 9/11/2023.
Leftover item number 4.
Four. Four.
Lordship,
Nothing.
directed to find out the search sheet number.
This is what? NDPS or what?
No, Lordship, fake currency.
Yes.
The search sheet number is 1/2.
Better you file proper application.
Lordship.
File proper
Yes,
application, right?
lordship.
There is no whisper
Yes, lordship, otherwise.
and no whisper also that he had preferred bail application before session judge. Nothing is
Copy
it.
of the CSN along with the order copy, lordship, the section order.
Mr. You filed before this court in the vacation court on the prayer of Mr.
D. Colita.
D. Golda Learned Counsel for the petitioner. This bail application is allowed to be withdrawn, in order to file FS.
Obliged.
Leftover item number 16.
My apologies, I couldn't be here on the first call. My license now that was granted by the state government stands cancelled. It's an arms license. I wanted to apply for an all India purpose, then I realized that this is actually has to be issued by the central
Why it was
government.
cancelled?
Oh, that was.
Which order, which order?
Yes. 52. The last part. This is a .38 PB revolver, which is a restricted gun.
4.5 years, now you are coming.
I have given an explanation. After this cancellation, in fact, I was about to apply for the central government. The only problem now, your lordships, is this dismissal is rejection is only technical ground. If I go and apply now, it's like a passport renewal. Every time I go and apply, this order will show into it will come on the way. My difficulty is this is the reason I'm
You
not.
neither preferred appeal also.
Yes, there was a provision of an appeal. I have not preferred it. I admit on that.
I have disposed of many things
I agree on that.
Providing for appeal.
I'm only on a very limited issue that if I apply tomorrow, as in when the client wishes to apply, this order may not come because this been rejection is completely on a technical ground.
Right. For 4.5 years, what you are doing?
I have
What
tried
kind of?
to explain at page 26. 28, I'm sorry, paragraph 26, Your Lordship.
Paragraph?
26, page 28. Because the rejection happened on 11/2019.
COVID came in February 2020. This order is of March 2019.
No, this is something. But after that also, Your Lordships, it took a bit of time.
Oh, you have gone into deep slumber. Now you have a reason like a phonics.
Only on a limited.
Issue
because
notice.
I
Prime Minister R.V. Pugwan, Council for the petition. And Mr. Z. Bokoli. Who is for central government? No central government. Have you served copy or not? Name is shown or
Yes,
not?
we have.
Okay.
May I request one?
Miss-
If so, it can also be disposed of only with this direction. That's all I'm saying. That I
What
would-
direction?
That as in when I apply, this order may not come on it.
Oh, that is too much for asking in the motion. Bokolial, you are for?
2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. There is no representation on behalf of the respondents, union. Respondent number 1. 3. 1 and 3. Just in this petition, command of petition has assailed an order dated 25/3/2019 within bracket annexer.
The rejection order, page 52, annexure 13.
Huh? Page 52.
Yes, the order is
Order.
1/11.
Order dated 1/11/2019
Grateful.
within bracket annexer 13. Whereby the petitioners arms license number 532 within bracket K Guwahati P full stop S full stop had been cancelled and the petitioner was directed to deposit 1.38 PB revolver at the Dispur police station. Issue notice returnable on so and so. As Mr. Bokolial appeared accepted for so and so, no formal notice. The petitioner shall serve extra copies of the writ petition to Mr. R.K. Dev Chaudhary, Deputy Solicitor General of India for respondent number 1 and 3 during the course of the day.
Yes, I have deposited the gun in terms of this. I have already given a statement at para 17.
That is not required. You have done it. Complied.
Yes.
Can you handle?
Production list for motion item number.
Extremely good.
Production list item number 1.
APDCL. Yes, what is the case here?
Look, my connection disconnected on 14A.
Yes, he has rented a room. Number is not showing file. Foreign file. Hey, electricity connection. The name of Bonanza Altina Market. Go on. Yes, what is this thing?
Well, as per the delete date, my lord, the electricity can be granted, temporary connection, they paid for your lordship. Perhaps the second interim prayer is not maintainable because they're asking for an injunction kind of lordship. The private response.
Go to the civil court.
In the meantime,
You are an experienced counsel, don't make this court a civil court.
in the meantime, only.
What?
In the meantime, my lord, only the vacation, my lord, in civil court. In the meantime, I am the only for livelihood on the basis of this, my lord, this of my lord.
Mr. Hussain, you are a seasoned advocate. Don't make such kind of interim prayer.
Respondent number 3, my lord.
Then find out if this is the case. He may be thrown out. I don't know.
My lord, electricity may be granted, but perhaps the second prayer is.
Right.
They may.
Right. Because of this interim prayer, whether he is there or not, that is doubtful.
Yes, my lord. So in that case, my lord, we have to.
Where is the statement?
My lord,
He is there.
submit the application on
Wait now, now case has become
page
doubtful now.
page 40. My lord, my lord, kindly see the document. Supreme Court.
Where is your trade license? So some difference is going on, right? Hard Mr. J. Hussain, learned counsel for the petition. And Mr. Your name?
Bidas, my lord. Bidas.
Bidas. Standing counsel.
My lord, APDC.
Learned standing counsel. APDC for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. First one. In this petition, the petitioner has projected that he has been running business in the name and style, Herakud Boulder as a Bananja, from a rented shop situated at Kalpana Market, Hilpukuri, Guwahati, pin 781003, within bracket, subject shop. After entering into a rental arrangement with the owners of the subject shop, that is the respondent number 4 and the respondent number 5. Full stop. The petitioner has averred that he has been running his business after obtaining necessary trade license from the Guwahati Municipal Corporation and has been a tenant under the respondent number 4 and the respondent number 5 since the year 1992. Full stop. The petitioner has further averred that the petitioner has been paying the monthly rental dues to the owners of the subject shop. Full stop. But stop. However, on and from August 2022, the respondent number 4 and the respondent number 5 are creating disturbances are demanding the petitioner to vacate the subject shop. Full stop. The petitioner has further submitted, has contended that the respondent of 4 and 5 have suddenly, on 14/10/2023, disconnected the electricity connection to the subject shop. Full stop. Para. If you notice, returnable in 4 weeks as Mr. Das, standing us for 1 and 2. No
Three.
formal notice, extra copies during the course of the day. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3, 4 and 5 by
Only 4 and
registered
5,
post. Huh?
Only 4 and 5.
4.
4 and 5.
4 and 5 by registered post within 3 working days. Paragraph 6. Delete. Next paragraph. As it is asserted that the petitioner is in possession of the subjects of as on date, it is directed that the respondent APTCL authorities that they shall take immediate measures to provide a separate and individual electricity connection to the subjects of, subject to compliance of the terms and conditions of supply of electricity, including payment of the requisite charges, by the petitioner, and without insisting on a no objection certificate within bracket NOC from the respondent number 4 and the respondent number 5, within a period of 10 days from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order at the office of the respondent number
Respondent number 3, man.
3, along with an application from the petitioner for such separate and individual electricity connection.
Temporary electricity connection.
Temporary. Why temporary? Separate and individual
Okay.
connection. Post up. It is made clear that such measures shall be taken by the APTCL authorities after reaching a satisfaction, prior satisfaction that the petitioner is in possession of the subject shop. If you are not in possession, you have been thrown out already, no connection.
Already possession.
More or less.
I approach the respondent number 3 to provide the electric.
What?
My lord, I approach the respondent number 3 to provide the correction. He says, my lord, this without, my lord, NOC from the respondent 4 and 5. My lord.
Have you heard the order?
No, my lord. Obligement,
Obliged.
For orders item number 24.
deeply obliged.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Small correction, my lord.
small correction.
Yeah, only in place of 83, it should be 63 months. That number, in the order
Which
of,
one? Which one? Who page, please?
page, your worship will find page 23.
23.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
That is in, second paragraph, 5th line, my lord. Final Khatian number 256, that number 104 old and 763 new.
It should be 6, my lord.
104.
104 old, O means old.
Ah.
Then oblique 783 new. It should be
What
7.
is there in the repetition?
In on the synopsis, it was 83, my lord. That's why, my lord, it has come. But the body of the entire body, it is 63, my lord. And prayer also 63.
It is your mistake. Why?
Yes, my mistake, my lord. It's my mistake.
Then
Well, in the body and prayer, it is 63, my lord.
where is the body?
Yes, ma'am.
Which paragraph?
In the prayer, you also will find.
You commit the mistake,
Yes, ma'am. We have.
put the blame on the court.
No, I am not blaming. It's our mistake, ma'am. In the prayer, your lordship will find page 18. Page 18, covered by that number 104 old 763.
Page 88 of the repetition.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is that page 88?
No, page 18, 18.
18.
Covered by.
Yes, Mr. Bokolian. We go by the synopsis, Mr. Sinha.
Yes, ma'am. This is our mission. I agree, ma'am.
Mr. B. Sinha for the applicant. Applicants. How many?
No, many, my 40, madam. 4.
Any revenue?
Definitely.
Mr.
Yes, doctor.
Yes, Dr. Lawrence, standing counsel revenue department for the OP number 1, respond number opposite party number 1, and Mr. G. Bokolial, learned junior government advocate Assam for the opposite party number 2 and 3. Full stop. The applicants hearing as writ petitioners, have preferred the connected writ petition WPC number 4225/2023. Post this code. With a grievance that their representation dated 10/4/2023 for mutation of a plot of land has not been considered by the respondent authorities. Full stop. Para. This court, while issuing notices to the respondents, by order dated 4/8/2023, have indicated the details of the plot of land in respect of which the applicant's petitioners have sought mutation. Full stop. The details of the plot of land have been mentioned as 44 decimals. Yes, 23. In the state order, in the state order, the details of the land have been mentioned as in the paragraph later. The instant application has been preferred by the applicants seeking correction in respect of a DAG number described in the order dated 4/8/2023. It is averted inadvertently in the synopsis of the connected writ petition, one DAG number had been mentioned as DAG number 783 within bracket N bracket close. Instead of DAG number 763 to 783, instead of DAG number 783 within bracket N. Close stop. The applicants have averred that the said mistake is an inadvertent typographical error. Close stop. Having considered from the on perusal of the prayer portion of the connected writ petition, it appears that the same is an inadvertent typographical error. So accordingly, it is ordered that DAG number 783 within bracket N, which has appeared in the order dated 4/8/2023, passed in the writ petition WBC number so and so, is to be read as DAG number 763 within bracket N for all intents and purposes. Full stop. It is further observed that for all intents and purposes, under this order, it is further observed that this order is to be treated as part and parcel of the order dated 4/8/2023, passed in the writ petition WBC number 4225/2023. Stop. This order disposes of the interlocutory application.
I'm extremely sorry. Item number 20, I was submitting from a wrong section. So can it be on 8th of November in the motion? Can it come in the motion?
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. T.K. Mishra, and I answer for the petitioner, raise the case on 8/11.
A blessing.
Then you have wasted 10 minutes time.